Most men over 50 think they're dressing just fine. But here's the truth. There are three hidden style mistakes that are making you look older than you really are. If you're wearing the wrong clothes, ignoring simple grooming habits, or missing subtle details, you could be sending the wrong message without even knowing it. Today, I'm going to reveal these three mistakes and how to fix them instantly so you look confident, sharp, and years younger. Without expensive clothes or complicated routines. So if you've ever looked in the mirror and wondered why you don't look as sharp as you once did, this video is for you. The first mistake is simple. Baggy or ill-fitting clothes. Many men think comfort equals loose clothing. But oversized shirts, trousers, and jackets can instantly add 5 to 10 years to your look. Instead, focus on fit. Shirts and jackets should hug your shoulders without stretching, and trousers should taper slightly. A small tailoring adjustment can transform your appearance, making you look sharper and more confident in minutes. Let me give you an example. There's this my uncle who always wore loose trousers and oversized shirts. He was actually in great shape, but people saw him as tired and slumped. After I did a simple tailoring adjustment, hugging the shoulders and slightly tapering the trousers, he suddenly looked sharper and more confident. Remember, fit is king. Invest in a tailor or learn simple alterations. It makes a massive difference. Mistake number 2 is neglecting grooming. Hair, beard, nails, and even subtle skin care play a bigger role than most men realize. A messy beard, untrimmed nails, or hair that hasn't been cut in months can age you instantly. Here's a story. One of my friends, he had a great closet, perfectly fitted clothes, but his beard was patchy and untrimmed. People didn't notice his style. They only noticed his neglected grooming. Here are a quick wins for you. Trim hair and beard regularly. Keep nails clean and neat. Use a simple moisturizer to keep skin healthy and even-toned. These small habits send a message. I respect myself and I care about how I present myself. And that's attractive at any age. The third mistake is ignoring subtle style details. Shoes, belts, watches, and even the way you wear your jacket can make a huge difference. I knew a man who always wore nice clothes, but never matched his belt with his shoes, or kept his watch simple. He looked like he didn't pay attention to details. After he started matching, belt and shoes, wearing a simple watch, and folding his sleeves neatly, his overall look became much more refined. People noticed. He looked years younger. Now, here are simple tips that would help. Match your belt and shoes for a cohesive look. Add a watch or minimal accessory to elevate your outfit. Fold or adjust sleeves and collars neatly. These are small, often overlooked things that people notice first, sometimes even subconsciously. Mastering these details makes you look refined, confident, and years younger. instantly. So there you have it. The 3 hidden style mistakes making men over 50 look older than they are. 1. Baggy or poor-fitting clothes. 2. Neglected grooming. 3. Ignored subtle details. Fix these and you'll not only look younger but feel more confident and respected without spending a fortune. If you want more style tips for men over 50, subscribe now and turn on notifications. Your best years are ahead.